Day 18, 19. I now feeding my baby. Okay, forget to take video this morning. Day 18, 19. Today feeding my baby fry. Okay lah, I do a short video lah. Because everyday take video so boring. Okay, feeding them baby brine shrimp. This is how they look right now. Camera never zoom. Just do a quick feeding. Very tiring. This is the main tank. Fry. Estimated 60 over fry in this tank. If all survive. This is the fry food. This is the rice field. I'm going to just soak it inside. This is soak it inside. The fastest way. Anything that's wiggling inside is a baby brine shrimp. Anything that's a black dot is my baby fry. Now they're eating. Okay, to see the fry eating, see my previous video, my older video. Okay, I got older video of my fry eating. Okay, day 18, 19 I signing off 18, 19 now. Okay, bye bye.